Welcome to our latest project. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Arduino with an exciting build, a weather station using the ESP32. Let's walk through the components we're using. First up, we have the ESP32 and the DHT11 sensor, which will help us gather temperature and humidity data. Then, we'll introduce the 16:2 LCD display, where we'll showcase our live readings. Lastly, we'll add the LEDs to visually represent the temperature status, hot, medium, and cold. Once we've got all our components ready, it's time to make the connections. After setting up our circuit, we'll dive into the code, which you can find in the description below. With everything uploaded onto the ESP32, our weather station is good to go. Now, let's see it in action. With its sleek design and practical functionality, this weather station is perfect for both beginners and experienced makers alike. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.